Hello, beautiful people all over the world. Welcome to my vlog. So, shout out, beautiful people in the world. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. Alright, beautiful people, for today's video, I'm going to try this Coke and Lollipop and burping. I'm gonna try to drink and lick this lollipop. We'll see if I'm gonna burp. Alright, beautiful people, let's get it started. Okay. Before let's get it started, I just want to say happy birthday to Jennifer. Happy 16th birthday to you. More blessings to come and more babies to come. See you tomorrow. Alright, beautiful people, let's get it started. I was wondering how can we lick this one? Why they made big lollipop? It's not even fit inside our mouth. Look at that. Coke and lollipop. Okay, wait. I'm gonna wet my mouth first, alright? Cheers, beautiful people. Cheers. Alright. Last time I made this kind of beer, but I don't know how to eat because it was too big. Look at that. Maybe like this. I don't know how to eat this, beautiful people. Just beautiful people. How can I burp? While you're eating lollipop, big lollipop, while you're licking like that, you need to roll your eyeball too. Yeah, like that. That's what I learned. Like this. Like that. Beautiful people. No, I just want to make you laugh, beautiful people. Because I didn't get burp yet. There you go. this. Mm. I might finish this lollipop before I burp. Oh my gosh. There, little bit burp. My tongue already tired licking this lollipop. Beautiful people, while you're licking lollipop, there should be feelings like this. Like that. I'm already full, beautiful people. Excuse me, beautiful people. There you go. This lollipop setup. More licking. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, beautiful people. Oh my god, excuse me again. Sorry. Mm-mm. I guess no more burping. It's effective, beautiful people. Cola and Coca-Cola and lollipop. Try this, beautiful people, if you want to burp. Alright, beautiful people. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. I love you all in. God bless. Bye.